Stop making boring wood renovation videos. The algorithm is literally burying you. Everyone knows these oddly satisfying table renovations are AI, but there is a massive difference between the creators making pennies and the faceless empires printing millions of views every single week. The secret isn't about tricking people into thinking it's real. It's about two things: the absolute genius of the idea and god-tier visual quality. Viewers are completely immune to average. They want absolute masterpiece. Just look at these results I've been generating using my custom master prompt. Glowing meteorites, intricate vintage clock gears, hyper-realistic textures, and flawless consistency. This is the new standard of YouTube Shorts. If you aren't doing this, you are leaving insane money on the table. Today, I am handing you the exact 4-step workflow and the secret master prompt that turns average ideas into cinematic masterpieces. Step 1 is the brain, ChatGPT. But we aren't treating it like a chatbot. We are commanding a high-end creative director. I feed it my engineered master prompt to completely automate the hardest part of YouTube: ideation. Phase 1 forces the AI to invent 10 wildly original, high-retention concepts. Once we pick a scroll-stopping idea, Phase 2 deploys what I call the visual anchor. It calculates the exact scale, ensuring the raw materials are densely packed across a massive mold, and spits out 6 brutally detailed, ready-to-copy image prompts. The idea is locked. Now, we need the quality. Step 2 is Nano Banana 2. We paste those exact prompts directly into the generator. Why Nano Banana 2? Because basic AI is dead. Nano Banana 2 understands micro-textures better than anything on the market. It generates the weathered skin on the hands, the dust motes dancing in the cinematic workshop light, and raw materials so photorealistic your brain can literally feel them. You just spawned a $20,000 professional studio shoot in 60 seconds. But static images don't go viral. Step 3 is Grok AI. We drop these flawless frames into Grok's Fluid Dynamics engine. We command it to calculate the heavy, thick gravity of the epoxy pour and the aggressive 3000 RPM vibration of the power polisher. Grok breathes life into the frames, creating a hypnotic, hyper-realistic physics loop that forces the viewer to watch the video twice. Finally, step 4 is the assembly in CapCut. This is where we stitch the visual story together, from the massive raw material spread to the final luxury interior reveal. But more importantly, we weaponize the audio, the thick, heavy gloop of the resin, the aggressive scrape of the sander. CapCut is where we layer the heavy ASMR sound design that hijacks the viewer's dopamine receptors, making it physically impossible for them to scroll past. Brilliant ideas, uncompromising quality, absolute cinematic, that is the entire secret. But listen closely. If your initial ChatGPT prompt is weak, this entire software stack will just generate hyper-realistic trash. You need the master prompt. I spent weeks engineering this exact blueprint, and I've locked the entire copy-paste formula inside a Google Doc. I am giving it away completely free, but it is exclusively inside my private Discord server. Click the link in the description right now. Join the server, head straight to the prompts channel, grab the master prompt, and start rendering content that actually dominates the algorithm. Subscribe if you want more elite AI workflows, and I'll see you inside the Discord.